Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Chainlink LINK. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go down below, tap that subscribe button, and while you're down there, you can hit the like button as well. I'd really appreciate it. And also, thank you to all the new subscribers. We have broken 100. We have broken 1,000. So I really appreciate that. Thank you for everybody and their support. It means a lot to me. All right, let's get into these charts. Link on the weekly time frame. So even during this FTX debacle that's been going on, Link had a big fall. So we were actually starting to make some good moves for Link right around here. And then Link had a big fall due to FTX, but we never actually created a lower low. Link has been very strong, in my opinion, during this FTX fall. And really, it's just giving people a better buying opportunity for Link. Anybody who missed out down here when Link was around $5.30, $5.75, this is when I was accumulating Link, was right in these wicks right here. And possibly around in here too, just around the $6 area. But I didn't know that I didn't think we'd come back down there actually. And, you know, just got some more people some buying opportunities. But what it also did, I have not touched any of these lines on this chart. What it also did was retest this falling wedge almost perfectly. And actually, if I move the wedge right there, where it touches these two wicks right here, it actually did touch the retest the falling wedge perfectly. And what you want to see after a retest is a very nice candle to the upside for a breakout, and that's exactly what we got. So not only did we we were in this falling wedge for this entire time. You know, if you start right here with the top of the falling wedge, it started, that's all the way back in November 8th of 2021. If you go all the way back here where the bottom I've got has started, you're back, you know, back to the all-time highs. So we have retested. We continue to find resistance around this level here, which is around the $9.50 level area. And also that's wicks that are getting up there because the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame has been acting as very strong resistance. But I think that that's going to change here pretty soon. I think that we have been attempting to get above this 50 on the RSI multiple times. And I think that fairly shortly we're going to get above it. Once we get above this, I think that that's going to be the breakout to get above this resistance here and possibly even this 200 weekly EMA, which would turn my candles green again. Also, the momentum directional here has been just going in that direction. It's been, you know, you get a fall, you get a big wave, you get another fall, you get a smaller wave, you get a smaller wave. Now this wave is a little bit bigger, but that's only because of the FTX hack. But we've already reclaimed almost all of that. And we are finding resistance right in here where we had resistance, finally broke through, support, resistance, support, blah, blah, blah. Now resistance. And so I think we'll break through that here pretty soon. So once we break above that, that brings us to the 20 EMA again on the weekly. And we need to get above this resistance line right here. And then obviously the 200 EMA is right above that. Now what I could see happening is we finally get up in here. We come back down to retest this area right here. And then we come up, get a breakout of that. But we hit the 200 and maybe we kind of dance in this area for a little bit till we finally move to the upside. It could take some time. But I do believe that the best prices for Link in the longer term was down in this area right here. Now, I could be wrong. You know, this is just my opinion and my analysis, but I think that these were your best prices to buy Link, unless you got in way over here, which maybe some of you did. I don't know. But we're trying to start a new bull market here, and I think that for the new bull market, these are the best chances you had. Now, that also says that we're not too high up from those. We're only at $7.13. So if you missed out on $6, you know, $1 more is not too bad, especially when, you know, my price targets for Link are easily back at $50 at its previous all-time high. But I think Link is going to be heading to these blue lines here at 90 and 137 in this next bull run. Now, that's not going to be anytime too soon. That'll probably be in 2024, 2025-ish, something like that, unless something crazy happens and the bull run starts a lot sooner than we all expected. But we will see. But I do actually think that Link is going to get a very nice move here in the coming weeks, and possibly even be retesting this area right here where we had some support right there. And that's roughly around the $12.50 area, which in my opinion is the next spot. And so that would actually, I mean, that just put a channel in there for me. I could actually see us kind of dancing in here for a little bit, kind of like we did right here, where we were dancing in this channel right here. I see this moving to the next spot right up here, and then moving up here, and then moving up, and that's when we start to see our parabolic moves to the upside, is right around this area right here. That's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. I kind of just see that happening. Nobody can predict the future, but that's kind of what I see for Link. Now, let's move down to the 4-hour time frame, because we just had a decent move to the upside. So I do believe that we are due for a correction, and let's see what we got going on. So on the 4-hour, it does look like it's about to roll over. The trend directional looks like it's about to print another red dot up here, and it looks like we're about to fall through the EMA, or the moving average here, so the white line would break through the red line right here. And I could see, so what I would like to do for this is I would put a Fibonacci down here at the bottom, all the way to the top, and I would pay attention to specific levels here, you know, right around the 236, which is also the 200 and the 20 EMA. That should be somewhat strong support, but I could see it breaking through and coming down to the 382, if not just for a wick. And if we get a major turnaround, maybe the market turns on us and Bitcoin starts falling even more, I could see us coming down to the 618 and at the very lowest, the 786 for this move. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think that that would be actually a bearish sign that we came down to the 786. And that would mean that Bitcoin probably went down to $10,000. So if you think Bitcoin's going to $10,000, maybe you'll get another chance to get Link around $5.85. That is possible. Anyway, that's all I got for Link. Still going according to plan. Everything looks good. We have retested on the weekly time frame this very large falling wedge, and then we bounced off of it with a very nice candle. So that is a good sign. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate all the new subscribers out there. And just remember, not a financial advisor, just a dude on his computer. Talk to you later.